Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida, on the great southwest coast of Florida. Today we're going to talk about a Sea Ray 300 SLX. This boat is powered by twin MerCruiser 350 mags. Great boat, been recently serviced, absolutely ready to go. As we walk on board, you're going to notice this big swim deck here on the stern, teak, and then also as we walk through, you're going to see the teak here as you walk into the cockpit. Neat storage area aft here, and I'll actually show you in a second how this will convert to make your sun deck on the back. And then as we step down into the cabin, into the cockpit area here, you're going to notice that we've got great space. Table will store up underneath the helm here, but it's a nice area right now for people to sit down, congregate, and really enjoy the social aspects of the Sea Ray 300. Got a nice little wet bar over here with the sink, as well as a refrigerator down here below, electric refrigerator. Trash receptacle here. Right now the boat doesn't have the carpet in it, but it does have great carpeting that can snap into the fiberglass liner. Also, you notice this helm seat right now is in a traditional position. We can slide this forward, so if somebody wants to lay out here in the sun, can do that. Or we can do the same thing forward, so if somebody wants to be in the shade and look forward. Over here on the port side, nice head compartment, all fiberglass. Does have the vacuum flush potty in it, as well as a little vanity with the sink and a storage area. Over here in the helm area, nice big helm seat. Enough space for two people to stand behind the helm. We do have a tilt steering wheel. And of course we can put the bolster down and can adjust the seat fore and aft as well. Great Garmin electronics. This boat does have radar. The dome is not on right now because they took it off so they could get in and out underneath the bridge, but it does have radar as well. Great Sony stereo sound system. And this has the DTS, the digital throttle and shifts, so that again, very, very easy, effortless to move those. As we go forward, we can close the bow off very, very easily to stay out of the wind. And really neat big storage area right in here, and also our master keys and master panel for the boat. Up on the bow, built-in anchor system. You can operate from the dash, or there's a place here where we can plug in a remote control to use as well. You also notice the 5-inch remote spotlight. So if you're running at night, that's electrically controlled from the helm so that you can find your way around. Underneath these seats, nice big deep storage area. And you'll also notice the inflator here, so that if you're carrying tubes or other inflatables on board, you can plug that in the cigarette lighter and do that as well. Another neat little tucked away storage space here. That's the leg for the table if you want to put it up here on the bow. So as we head back towards the stern, again, this boat has lots of neat social zones on it to really enjoy. And one last little feature back here, these seats will tilt up so that you can sit on the sun deck back here and enjoy that area as well. So speaking of sun deck, I'm going to convert this for you real quick. Just like that, we're ready to go sunbathing all the way out here on the beautiful southwest Florida coast. Or if you're heading up to one of the inland lakes, super boat for Lake Texoma, Lake of the Ozarks, or up in the Georgia area as well. Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers. Give me a holler. I'd love to get this 300 ready for you.